Welcome to the Daikin VRVCORE hands-on installation and brazing training. In this training, we will take you through the proper hands-on installation process on a Daikin VRV system via 6 key sessions. First, we will go through the basic theory of our Daikin VRV system. Secondly, we will proceed to the hands-on installation of a VRV indoor unit. This installation process will strictly follow the corresponding technical standards with specific focus on the handling and storage of the air conditioning unit. Thirdly, we will move on to the copper piping process. When it comes to copper piping, special attention is needed during installation to ensure the VRV system's proper performance and efficiency. Next comes the drain piping process. It is important to properly install the drain pipe to avoid water leakage problems, especially when the drain pipe is concealed. On top of that, sufficient gradient and insulation is also crucial in a VRV system. This brings us to the 5th session, which is the piping insulation session. The piping insulation of a VRV system should be properly installed to avoid condensation. This is the same for the drain pipe insulation as well. It is crucial to ensure that the refrigerant temperature inside the piping is kept consistent for better operating efficiency, as well as to reduce energy loss. Lastly, we will take you through the wiring process of a VRV system. In this process, you will be trained to understand the wiring communication between the outdoor units and indoor units. Besides that, you will also learn the requirements to properly wire the communication network between all VRV connected components and controllers. Let's move on to another important part of the air conditioning unit installation process, especially for VRV systems, which is the copper piping brazing practice. Although brazing can typically be taught in a classroom environment, it will be better for one to practice in actual field conditions to become truly proficient. Therefore, this training will cover both theoretical and practical sessions, beginning with a refresher session on the basic theory of brazing. In the practical session, you will be trained to understand the correct brazing methods and brazing procedures. After the practical training session, the analysis of the brazing result will be carried out to enhance the trainees' analytical skill on brazing procedures. By the end of these training sessions, you can expect to become technically competent in the air conditioning unit installation process. Therefore, if you are seeking to become professionally skilled in the Daikin VRV system installation process and brazing practice, join us now. Thank you for watching.
Perfecting the air, Daikin.